Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll all the way down to find General Management. Then let's tap on Reset, and here you can either reset mobile network settings or Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. As you can see, they are separate. So all you need to do is to tap on this desired option. You need to be aware that you cannot undo this action, and just tap on Reset Settings. And the same with mobile network settings. Tap on it. Here you need to confirm everything with your screen lock because it's more serious, let's say. As you can see, you've got the information that depending on your network's required settings, you might not be able to connect to your mobile network anymore. So do it only if you know that you really can do it. Just tap on Reset, and that's all. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.